So this problem is asking for a recursive formula for this sequence. First, I noticed that choices 2 and 4, while they might be correct, are not recursive, so I'm going to write not recursive for these two. Now, choices 1 and 3 are recursive, but I notice the difference between them is simply, are we multiplying by 1/3 or are we multiplying by 3? So if I take my second term, which is 36, and divide it by my first term, which is 108, I get that the R value, or the multiplier for this sequence, is 1/3. So I do know that it's going to be choice 1. So this one, we could write multiplying by 1/3, not 3, would be an explanation.